Welcome to our tutorial on how to add a GIF to your Facebook post. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to make your posts more engaging and fun. Whether you're looking to express yourself creatively or just want to add some humor to your updates, GIFs are a great way to do so. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Once you're logged in, you'll see the familiar interface where you can create new posts. Tap on What's on Your Mind to start crafting your update. This is where you can share your thoughts, photos, or videos with your friends and followers. Now, let's get to the fun part, adding a GIF. As you're creating your post, swipe up on the screen. You'll see a variety of options, including photos, videos, and more. Look for the GIF icon, which is usually represented by a small GIF logo or a button labeled GIF. Tap on this icon to access Facebook's built-in GIF library. Facebook offers a wide range of GIFs that you can choose from. You can browse through trending GIFs or search for something specific using keywords like happy birthday or good luck. Once you find a GIF that fits your mood or message, simply tap on it to add it to your post. You can preview how it looks before posting. After selecting your GIF, you can add any additional text or photos to your post if you wish. This is a great way to provide context or add a personal touch to your update. When you're ready, tap the Post button at the top right corner of your screen. Your GIF will now be live for all your friends to see. Adding GIFs to your Facebook posts is a simple yet effective way to make your content more dynamic and engaging. It can help you express yourself in a more playful way and capture the attention of your audience. Whether you're using GIFs to celebrate a special occasion or just to brighten someone's day, they're a great tool to have in your social media toolkit. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in showing you how to seamlessly add GIFs to your Facebook posts.